Well, you're taking a live look at Lake Pleasant. I want to talk about our morning temperatures and how good they are about to get. It's 88 degrees this morning at Lake Pleasant. Most valley locations got into the upper 70s or low 80s earlier this morning, but we quickly started warming it up. Are you ready for mornings in the 60s? Who's not? Take a look at our lows. Our morning temperatures. A reminder, our lows happen during the morning hours, typically right around and just after sunrise. Upper 60s by next Monday morning in the valley. Areas like Casa Grande, Tucson, low to mid 60s. We got spots like Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon that are going to be waking up to temperatures in the 30s. So it's not an understatement to say we got some big weather changes coming our way. Around Arizona the next couple of days, you're going to feel some of these changes already in the high country. A second day in a row of very windy weather for spots like Flagstaff. You got decent rain chances in Flagstaff Saturday, especially late in the day. Payson going to be in the 80s the next couple of days. Sedona, Grand Canyon, and go with that wind in the forecast today, then mid 80s for Sedona and 70s for the Grand Canyon. We do have a decent chance of rain across the state on Sunday. In fact, we're first alerting now for Sunday for those rain chances. More on the winds because we're going to feel those today in the valley as well. Timeline here at the top of your screen. Let's just take this to this afternoon when we've got some 15 to 20 mile per hour winds in the high country. They're out of the southwest. In the deserts of the state, it's going to be noticeably more windy today. That should help us to keep these strong southwesterly winds, should help keep us a little bit more in the clear from all of that wildfire smoke, which we saw yesterday from Southern California. Unfortunately, a lot of that may head up toward Mojave County in northern Arizona today. But 15 to 20 mile per hour winds is what you can expect this afternoon and evening. After sunset, those winds begin to die off. And as we head into tomorrow, they pick back up a little bit, but not nearly as windy as it's going to be today across the state. General breeziness across the state for your Friday. This is our trough of low pressure. We've been tracking it all week. It's moved onshore and it's just to the north of Arizona right now, trucking across the Great Basin. That's what's driving those winds that we're seeing here and the slight cool down that we're getting the next couple of days. The bigger cool down comes this weekend from a couple different sources. First, this is tropical moisture that's going to come up from the south. A tropical disturbance here develops along the Baja Peninsula, and that moisture is forecast to come up into Arizona by Saturday night and Sunday. At the same time, this low is going to drop down here across the west, and this kind of lines up with that moisture we're thinking to add in some extra dynamics. So not just rain, but thunderstorm chances Sunday and I think into Monday at this point as well. At least a decent chance during the morning hours. If we think that's going to extend later into Monday, we'll give you a heads up on that. But our best chance is going to be Sunday, so we're first alerting for that day at this point. This all lifts up and out of here. We're dry by Tuesday and Wednesday, and temperatures drop off even more. It's going to be so nice next week. Rain chances, a 7-day rain total is mainly looking at that window between Saturday night and Monday about midday. And our best rain chances are in this area here in blue, higher amounts at least from the valley up toward the Mogollon Rim and down near the southern border. So today 108, still going to be hot out there for your Thursday, but breezy this afternoon. 105 for tomorrow, 102 for Saturday. Your outdoor plans at this point looking good from rain until Saturday night and then Sunday. Again, there's your first alert weather day. We've got mid 90s. Our lows are going to drop off our morning temperatures to the 70s by Monday morning into Tuesday morning as well. We're going to start to see again 60s and low 70s around town.